I think I have bought the wrong product, and of course, I'm going to tell you why. Hi, everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. For you that are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I'm usually a lot more handsome than today, and I call these videos unboxing videos, but it's mostly me talking about why I bought something, and then in the end, a review. So, to start off this story, my parents have a digital photo frame that is very liked, very popular at home, and it's my work, my job to update it with photos, since I'm the only one taking photos when we are away and meeting the family. And for a couple of years now, I have been looking for a new digital frame because the one that they have, it's a couple of years old. The quality isn't great and it's quite small. And I have bought a couple of larger ones that have been very expensive, a couple of $100, and very difficult to use, very difficult to put in photos in. The latest one that I bought could only take photos from your phone and not from USB. Either way, anyway, when watching Google's latest event, hoping for a new Chromecast that for some reason won't come to Sweden until like 6 months or something, I saw that they had a new Google Nest Hub. I don't know what the full name is. Google Nest or Google Nest Hub is this one called. But they had a new one of these. And the Google Nest Hub Max, I think it's called, has crossed my mind before. Used to use as a digital screen. But I knew that Google was going to have an event soon, so I waited for a couple of products. And this one came, and I thought, yeah, this could be nice as a digital photo frame. And I can update the album at home from my computer, and my parents' house, we used to be uploading new pictures. I'm talking too much as usual. So I ordered it, were surprised about the price. In Sweden, it's about 110 euro, which I think is great price because it's half the price of all the other digital screens, less than half the price. But after I ordered it, I did some research, which I should have done before, which I usually do. And I saw a couple of things that I really don't like before I even had the product in hand. First thing is that the Google Nest Hub, the two earlier ones, were never sold in Sweden, at least not with Swedish language. And so when they were not available on the site, I thought this was a replacement for the old one, for the big one. But I realized this screen is only 7 inches. 7 inches is like my iPhone Pro Max. So yeah, it's quite small. I was hoping to be iPad size. This is quite small. I believe it's even smaller than the digital frame that they have today. But then the thing is, this is a lot more than a digital frame. But my parents doesn't have a smart home in any way. I gave them my old Chromecast that I don't even think they know how to use. But so this is mainly going to be a digital frame where I can update the photo album from home. But this review is going to be about how can my old parents that are not tech savvy at all get any kind of use of Google Nest Hub, because I've seen some videos and this thing can do just about anything. You can ask it anything. And I have myself been wanting to try something like that, Alexa or Google, for a while now, because I love the idea of Siri and smart helps, but Siri never hears what I'm saying, never. So I've been wanting to try if Amazon products or Google products are better for understanding my dialect or voice or whatever. So yeah, this is the very long unboxing. This is going to be a digital photo frame, and I am curious about what kind of use my parents can have of this one. I wish it was larger, but this is a Swedish-speaking Google product. Yeah, and we don't have the max size in Sweden. And I don't think this is a replacement at all for the other two sizes. This is just a new size that is between the mini and the max. So I don't think that there is anything new hardware wise. I'm also a bit surprised that there is no camera on it. I would love to see my parents having video calls with my siblings' kids with this. You can have video calls, but you can only see them. They cannot see you. So then it's not a video phone call. But yeah, let's see what this little thing can do for my old parents that are not tech savvy at all. This is what this review is going to be about. So yeah, it's the wrong product for you wanting to have a digital photo frame, but the price is nice, 110 euro. So let's see what it can do. We are having really fun with Google Nest Hub. Now I'm teaching my goddaughter about Santa Claus and Santa's workshop, and she also know how Google works. Looks like a Christmas tree. You want to say hey Google? Hey Google. So I really recommend this product. This is going to be the Christmas gift from me this year to many people. My mother talks to it like it's a person. She said, hey, blah, blah, blah. Can you stop showing me that and show me that instead? And she talks to it a little bit too much like a person. But my goddaughter, she know how it works. I actually forgot this video on my phone. I haven't forgot about the Google Nest Hub, not at all. We all like it a lot. We are all having fun with it. I don't think it works the way that they advertise. Most of the things that I ask it is just search for it, Google it for me. And when I ask it to play some videos, it just Googles it instead. And yeah, so I have to be very specific. And even when I'm very specific, it doesn't play the right thing. So usually when I ask about a video, it plays me the song instead, even on YouTube. So I can say, hey, play Pippi Longstocking on YouTube, and it plays me a song instead. But either way, we're having super fun with it. The price has gone down. I'm gonna buy some more as Christmas gifts, as I said. The audio is good. The picture quality is very good. I can upload photos at home and it will be shown at the Google Nest Hub at my parents' house. When I'm over there eating, I'm using it, instead of my phone, I'm using it to watch a series or Netflix or whatever. And yeah, for the money, it's a great product. Fun for the whole family, great Christmas gifts, really worth the price. The pricing now in Sweden, in most stores, are 110 euro. I've found a place that sells them for slightly under 80 euro. So, and I have already recommended to a lot of people. They all love it. Everybody asked about it. So
it's great. This is the only review I can do. I don't have it with me here, but it plays songs from Netflix, plays videos on YouTube. Uh, oh, sorry, plays songs on Spotify and plays videos on Netflix and YouTube, and vice versa, etc., etc. And shows you pictures. And the the Google Nest Hub can do a lot of things. If you have a smart home, it can do a lot of things. But I bought it as a digital photo frame with some bonuses, and for that in mind, I'm super happy. The bonuses are really great. What I bought it for, as you can hear, I'm super happy with it. This is it for this review. I'm gonna call these kind of videos something else instead. I have the more shopping tag. I think I'm gonna use that because the unboxing thing is not interesting. I'm mostly talking about why I bought it. And the review thing is not, you have a lot of different videos reviewing the Google Nest Hub instead of this one. So this is my personal thinking about why I bought it and what I think about it. So even though, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.